Hello and welcome to this Locality Dat project. Today we will explore the plot prospects of NH1, the North Delhi corridor, which offers numerous options for plot buyers. In this episode, we will discuss about the plot availability, connectivity of the area, social infrastructure, employment opportunities and upcoming infrastructure development. This corridor can be divided into three clusters. The localities falls in the first cluster are in Delhi and while other two clusters are in Haryana. The first zone consists of localities situated in outskirts of North Delhi.
Narela, Burari, Sarupnagar, Nathupura and Bavana. These locations offer a variety of government-approved residential plots and high-rise properties. These areas have Lal Dora extension land, but you will not be able to get bank loans on such properties. Buyers can get good options of the Delhi Development Authority DDA plots here. The social infrastructure is witnessing rapid development here. Work on Delhi Metro Phase 4, which connects Narela to West Delhi, is underway. Few plots in the Delhi region are approved by MCD also. Water and electricity in the Delhi region is available through Delhi Municipal Corporation. According to listing of Magic Bricks, the sizes of plot in the first cluster vary from 50 to 350 square yard and are priced between Rs 5 lakh to 1.30 crore. The corridor hosts industrial area of Jahangirpuri, Badli, Kundli, Narela, Rai, Sonipat, Panipat and Karnal. These include small, medium and large-scale industries of steel, glass, chemical, food processing, plastic and manufacturing companies among others. The Netaji Subhash Place in the Pitampura is also accessible from this corridor.
The stretch is well connected via rail and road network. The upcoming Phase 4 of Delhi Metro will touch Kundli soon. The rapid rail is also planned from Delhi, which will originate from Sarai Khale Khan to Panipat.
The proposed metro rail project of approximately 5 km long from Narela to Kundli would be further extended till Rajiv Gandhi Education City. This is expected to provide metro connectivity to the rest of the localities on this corridor. RRTS Regional Rapid Transit System of 111 km is also planned as the Delhi-Sonipat-Panipat corridor. Apart from this, in Delhi, the rapid rail line will originate from Sarai Khale Khan, connects Kashmiri Gate ISBT and continue heading from north along the National Highway 44 through the town of Sonipat, Gannor, Samlakha to connect to Panipat in Haryana. GT Karnal Road, Outer Ring Road, Kundli Manesar Palwal Expressway are the major roads connecting this corridor. Work on expansion of GT Karnal Road from 6 lanes to 8 lanes is also going on. Samaipur Badli on the yellow line of the Delhi Metro is the nearest metro station of the Delhi region. Delhi railway station is 18 to 20 km away. Other major train stations on this corridor includes Narela, Badli, Sonipat Junction, Panipat and Karnal. DTC bus depots, autos and cabs are accessible from various localities of this corridor. The Indira Gandhi International Airport is more than 40 kilometers an hour's drive from the starting point of this corridor. Prominent malls in the vicinity area are Ambience Mall, Rohini, TDI and Ansal Highway Plaza. This corridor also hosts prominent water parks such as Splash and Just Chill Water Park.
This was our on-ground report on NH1, the North Delhi corridor. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share also. Keep watching MBTV.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and click the bell icon to get new videos.